Hi everyone, today we are starting chapter 2 of Clean Code, which is all about functions. Functions are the most basic way to organize your code. Writing them well makes your code clear and easy to maintain. In this video, we'll learn how to make effective functions. We will look at a real example, see why long functions are bad, and learn the rules to make them clean. Let's start. Uh, Functions are fundamental for organizing code. Good functions give you clarity. If your functions are written well, your project becomes easy to maintain. In this chapter, we explore how to craft effective functions. It give us simple rules to follow so our code becomes clean and easy for anyone to read. Let's talk about the problem with long functions. Look at this original function from FitNesse called testableHtml shown in listing 3.1. Its long, has duplicated code, strange strings, and confusing data types. Understanding this function in a few minutes is nearly impossible. It tries to do too many things at once, which makes it very complex. Now let's look at listing 3.2 to see how we refactor for clarity. By extracting simple methods and remaining things, we capture the intent in few lines. This refactored version is much easier to understand. It clearly shows that the function includes setup and teardowns pages and then renders them to HTML. It's clear that belongs to a web testing framework. This brings us to the most important rule. Functions should be small and then smaller still. The case of practice show that very small functions are superior and conquest. In the past, people accept a full screen of 24 lines. Today, even with big monitors, functions should rarely exceed 20 lines. Short functions are transparent and tell a clear story. To keep functions small, we must aim for minimal indentation. Blocks inside your if, else, or while statements should be only one line long, usually a function call. This practice keeps the main function small and improves code readability through descriptive names. Your function should have an indent level of only or 2. The golden rule is a function should do one thing: do it well and do it only. The original listing 3.1 clearly violates this rule because it performs like multiple tasks like fetching pages and appending strings. A function does one thing if all its steps and exactly one level of abstraction below its name. If you can describe it in a brief paragraph, it's doing one thing. Let's look at listing 3.3, which demonstrates a function doing one thing. The function render page with setups and teardowns is short and focused. All its actions, like checking the test page and rendering HTML, are exactly one level of abstraction below its name. This is how we keep code clean and structured. To keep functions clean, we need one level of abstraction per function. The original listing 3.1 mixes high-level concepts with low-level details, like appending task, which causes confusion. Mixing abstraction levels inside a function is always confusing. It makes it hard for readers to separate essential concepts from small details. Uh, the step-down rule, top-down narrative. We want our code to read like a top-down narrative, which is called the step-down rule. This allows readers to descend to level of detail step by step. Look at our cascade list. First, we include setups and teardowns. Next, we include the setup pages. Then we include the suite setup. Finally, we search the parent hierarchy. Consistent abstraction is crucial for clarity. Following the step-down rule keeps functions short and ensures they do one thing. It makes your code read like a series of TO paragraphs. When you maintain a consistent level of abstraction, the entire code base becomes a clear narrative that is easy to understand. Uh, to summarize part one of chapter three, keep your functions very small, make sure they do only one thing, and keep your abstraction levels consistent. This simple mindset will dramatically improve your code quality. In the next video, we will talk about function arguments and why having too many parameters is bad sound. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you next time.